Who is Hispanic? Debates over who is Hispanic and who is not have often fueled conversations about identity among Americans who trace their heritage to Latin America or Spain. Most recently, the 2020 census has drawn attention to how Hispanic identity is defined and measured. The once edited head count of all people living in the United States used a new approach to identify who is Hispanic and has provided fresh details about how Hispanic wear their racial identity. So, who is considered Hispanic in the United States today? How exactly are Hispanic counted? What role does race play in deciding who is counted as Hispanic? How many Hispanics are there in the United States today? A line graph showing that the United States Hispanic population reached more than 16.2 million in 2022. Let's start with the basics. The Census Bureau estimates there are roughly 22%, 6 million Hispanics in the United States as of 2021, making up 19% of the nation's population, but no hikes. Behind the official Census Bureau nowhere, however, lies a long history of changing labels, shifting categories, and revised question wording on census forms, all of which reflect evolving cultural norms about what it means to be Hispanic or Latino in the United States today. One way to count Hispanic is straightforward. Hispanic are those who say they are Hispanic, with no explanations. Pew Research Center used the approach in our service, as do other polling firms such as Gallup and Voter Exit Polls. The Census Bureau largely counts Hispanic this way too, but with some exceptions. If respondents select only the other Hispanic category and write in only non-Hispanic responses such as Irish, the Census Bureau records the response as non-Hispanic. However, beginning in 2020, it divided the lens to include a relatively small number of people who did not check a Hispanic box on the census form but answered the race question in a way that implied a Hispanic background. As a result, someone who wrote that their race is Mexican or Argentine in the race question was counted as Hispanic even if they did not check the Hispanic box from the available data. It is impossible to know the exact number of responses affected by this change, but it would appear to be about %1 of Hispanics of favor.